Hey guys, welcome back to the TennisShare channel. So you just picked up a brand new phone and now you're asking yourself, how do I move all my WhatsApp chats without losing anything? Well, don't stress, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common ways to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone with the same number. We'll go over Android to Android, iPhone to iPhone, and then I'll show you a universal solution that works for both. Alright, let's start with Android. The official way here is Google Drive. On your old phone, open WhatsApp, head to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and make a backup to Google Drive. Now, grab your new phone, install WhatsApp, log in with the same number, and hit Restore from Google Drive. Okay, your chats are back. Now for iPhone users, things are a little different. Instead of iCloud, WhatsApp now lets you move chats by scanning a QR code. On your old iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Transfer Chats to iPhone. You'll see a QR code pop up. On your new iPhone, install WhatsApp, log in with the same number, and scan that QR code. The transfer starts right away, and all your chats move over directly, no cloud needed. Okay, but here's the catch. Sometimes these official methods can be slow, or you just don't want to mess with backups and QR codes. That's where TennisShare iCareFone Transfer comes in. This tool works for both Android and iPhone, and honestly, it's way more straightforward. All you do is connect your old and new phones to your computer. Open iCareFone Transfer, select WhatsApp Transfer, and follow the prompts. In just a few clicks, all your chats, photos, and attachments move straight over. No cloud, no stress. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.